And these are the instructions for the fishing rod holder. You get 2 aluminium shaft, which just simply screws together. Put that aside. You have a little wooden handle that fits in the center of this piece here, and that's the upper section for the rod holder, and this is the bottom piece, and as you can see it rotates. It's on like a lazy Susan underneath. So we'll assemble it, pop a couple of fishing rods on it, and I'll let you know what I think of it. Now, as you can see, I've got a few rods, reels fitting in the holder, and it rotates. And I like the fact you can pick it all up and carry it, and you can put it wherever you want.